Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay back at again with the Crimson Camry. You guys seen the title, but I don't think you really understand it. So today it's kind of just like a show the process type of day. You got your boy XV70 underscore XSE and your boy Just a Camry. Both from Instagram with me today. We like to call ourselves the Italy flag, as you can see, red, white, and red, white, and green. So yeah. This guy right here is the mastermind behind Disrupt underscore GFX graphics. So just showing you guys the process. I'm trying to make a couple videos out of this. Changing my bumper, changing his bumpers, adding the OEM Japan style kit onto his car with the fog lights on both. So yeah, enjoy the video and let's go. So you guys can get a good view of what the front look like. 2018 to 2020 front. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Almost hit my head.
Bro, he literally just told me that. He was like, yo, watch over there at the corner. I was like,
OEM stock front for the 2022 Camry. Here we have OEM Japan style from the GR Camry. Here's the side skirts. And this right here is the GR lip. I'll be putting this in my car soon, but this is for just a Camry right there. Richard, or XV70 actually has the GR lip as well. This lip is extremely expensive. When you're paying for OEM, you're paying OEM price. It's coming from Japan, so you know what that shipping look like. And we got the 21 front pieces. OEM Japan. Mine's actually came from custom tuning. These two right here. If you have a 2020 bumper, people don't know this, but Toyota, when they made the 2020, they actually put the cutouts, if you can see right here, they actually put the cutouts to the 2021 and 2022 bumper. So it's already pre-cut for you. So if you're seeing this, you have a 2020, you have hope. If you want to do it, it's going to be really easy. I'm going to show you what to do. There's another one up here actually. Okay. The cutouts 2018 and 2019, I'm not going to say they don't have it, but I'm pretty sure they don't have it. So yeah, let's get started. These are the current covers I had on my car. These are OEM from Toyota. There's a whole fog light kit for them. Comes with a closed circuit. I'll link this out in the description below if you're interested in having these. These are actually pretty clean if you don't want to go to the 21, 22 option. Okay. All right, so I'm taking a break from my car right now. It's like 70 degrees outside and I got cotton sweatpants on. We took off the front grille to the white Camry. This is what it looks like right now. About to wrap this part. Is that dirt? Bugs? Need some alcohol? All right, so when you're taking off the 2018 to 2020 bumper, you have to take it off from the inside. It's the only way you're gonna be able to do it. So you gotta take off these first, the outside pieces first, and then you're gonna take off the center silver piece in the middle, or matte black, whatever you got, you know, XSE, SE. And then after you take these off, then you take off the grill, and then you take off the eyebrow part, wherever you wanna call it. So next, now since we got everything off, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start cutting out the hose. Right here, there's another one right here that needs to be cut out. If you're just doing a 21 style without the fogs, you don't have to do the big cutout that's gonna happen right here. You just have to do the little slits. All right, so this is what I'm switching to. Up top, you got the OEM black metallic from Toyota. And down here, I have my regular matte black SE ones that I wrapped in 3M gloss ember black. Go ahead and put that back in here. Real simple. And you put these white clips that came off back in there. So you get a Dremel. The cleaner way to do this.
Yeah, you have to use those. Yeah, that one. That's good. One
Shit's hot, bro.
it's pops, bro. It's not, bro.
So after you do all those parts, you're going to need to cut out this part right here in order for it to sit flush. That's probably what Custom Tuner was trying to explain, that it wouldn't work for the XSE, but it wouldn't work for either. I mean, it's just, if you want that, you would have to cut it out for no matter what. And then this part right here, if it comes with the fog light kit, on the other side, you saw me make a hole right here. That hole isn't very important because you had to put this there. But if you don't have a 2122, this, you know, you got to make that hole to use this piece. Because it goes right here.
That's this line. You don't want to go outside there. This part here. I just mark it.
Yeah. That part right there, that has made it even worse. That thing's done.
And so this part here, you have to cut all this.
I'm gonna get the look first though.
You have to cut all this. You have to cut more than that though. Like all the way around this part here.
Yeah, right where you got it. You just got to cut a little bit more than that, right outside the line for that. If I cut right outside, it's gonna be fine because it get covered anyway.
No, yeah, exactly. But you need to cut like all the way outside here.
That far?
Yeah.
Gotta keep going bigger.
What, in the big hole?
Yeah, keep going bigger.
On the big hole?
Yeah, I went small on purpose because I didn't want to make it too big.
Yeah. My man just drives by fucking green Camry every day like it's nothing.
Alright, so now it's on. I'm going to show you what I did and what I had to add. That hole, I had to keep making it bigger. So from underneath, this is what the hole looked like. You want to make sure that you clear out this tab right here, and the tab is down here. They're not supposed to like clip or anything. It's just a cover. These from Japan. Japan Camrys have a tow hook hole right here, so that's why you have to compensate for it. Now these white clips right here, I bought these off of Amazon. I'm gonna put the link inside the description below if you decide to do this. This is a lot of work, but hey, do what you gotta do. Thank you for watching the video. Listen, I didn't plan on making this like an install, how to do a conversion. You know, this is kind of the type of the process that show you what you're getting yourself into. The point wasn't really to show you exactly how to take the bumper off and all the grill pieces and stuff like that. It was more like a vlog type of day, just showing y'all what we doing, the life of what I do, you know, in the car scene and stuff like that. But I will be posting a video, a step-by-step guide on how to put these fog light covers on a 21 Camry later on. And unfortunately, we ran into some complications with just a Camry's car, so I didn't get to really record that process. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, guys. Deuces.